Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys my favorite Android app. It's a weather app that has finally arrived to the iPhone. And that app is called Overdrop. So Overdrop has been an Android app for a while now. It's been my go-to weather app on Android for a very long time now, and I'm happy to finally see this app on iOS. So I was actually surprised when I saw a tweet about this about this app that it was going to be released on iOS, and it was already out and ready for download for free. And so, as you know, I like to have the latest apps and just like to play around with new apps. I automatically went fast to the App Store and downloaded that app. So let's take a look at Overdrop. So when you open the app for the very first time, of course, this is not the theme you'll see. The default theme, of course, you'll see is the light theme. And so it's a very simple weather app that's nicely designed. And I really enjoy looking at it now on iOS here on the iPhone 11. So it has this card-based design look to it. When you scroll down, of course. So when you scroll down, of course, you'll see much more information about the weather. So like you'll see, of course, how cold it is here right now. So right now it's -9, but feels like -15 with the wind. Um, and then, of course, how much of a chance you have of it to rain today, and it's 47% chance of rain or flurries here. Wind speed, of course, kilometers, you'll see all that stuff. And then, of course, you'll have your hourly forecast area. So in your hourly forecast area, of course, you get to see kind of the future of how the weather's going to be later throughout the day, or here the evening. So you scroll down, of course, and you get to see how the weather's going to be throughout the evening here. And so yeah, I like just the design of the icons here. It's just really simple and easy to look at. And you kind of already know what each icon means without having it to be explained to you. And then of course you could change it. You could change the hourly forecast to wind or precipitation as well, right there, which is really simple and easy to do, of course. But I just like having it to the temperature area because I like seeing how the weather's going to be throughout the day. Really, I don't really mind looking at the wind or precipitation. Mostly for me, of course, is the temperature. And then, of course, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you have the weather for the week. And in the weather of the week there, you get to see, of course, how the weather's going to be throughout the whole week. And so, yeah, it's just a simple way to look at it. So you could see much more detailed information about each day, how the weather's going to be different, and much more information of the weather for that day as well. And so, yeah, you can see how cold it's going to be, the humidity, wind, sunset, sunrise, of course, right there. And then, of course, yeah, it's just a super simple app that I really like using here. And I'm just so happy that Overdrop finally arrived to the iOS ecosystem. And of course, if we go to settings now, you'll see something else. So in general area, of course, you'll have some more customization here. So you have the choice to animate the illustrations. Of course, I like having the animation on. You could change the 12-hour format and just how much time do you want it to refresh. We'll change it to 30 minutes for me. And so yeah, and then of course weather provider here. Here you have three choices. Of course, you have dark sky, which is of course really popular in a lot of places, mostly in the States. But here, dark sky in Canada really does not really work that well. So I like a Q weather, or weather bit, which I never really heard of, but I know a Q weather already, so that's my default weather provider. And then of course you have the temperature of how you want it to change it, Celsius or Fahrenheit, of course. Celsius is the right way to go, so Celsius it is. And then of course wind, pressure, and all that stuff as well from what type of units you want to see. And so yeah, and now of course your themes area. So in your themes, you have six themes to start off with. Now to get these themes, you have two choices. You can either subscribe to the pro feature, I guess you could call it, or you can lock everything for $9 Canadian, I think it was, and that's what I did. I'd rather just unlock the whole thing instead of paying by monthly. It's just way much more cheaper, and also I just like this app that I just quickly unlocked everything. And my go-to theme, of course, right now is space, which I just like, and it looks really nice, of course. How the color design, it goes with the icons as well, with the color change as well, which just looks fantastic. Um, I just hope that Overdrop does get more themes as well. So I can't wait to see if hopefully the developers behind this app does release some more themes, which will be really, really great. And next, of course, we have app icons. So one of my favorite things about the iOS ecosystem since last year's iOS update was that Apple let developers change, of course, the app icons on their app. So yeah, there's a ton of great choices here of great different designs that you could choose from. Of course, you know me, I like gradient a lot, so I like the gradient theme here. I'll change it to gradient 3 right now, just because it looks really nice. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for what's in Overdrop, of course. So if you guys are looking for a cool, simple weather app, which is nicely designed, of course, that looks really nice and beautiful on the iPhone, then I highly recommend you guys go check out Overdrop because it is a fantastic weather app. And also, it does have a widget as well that you could quickly look at if you, of course, hard press on the app without having to open the app as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Overdrop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you guys really did enjoy this video, please do subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.